Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, here to show you this Harris 230 Sunliner. This is a 2019. So with the 2019 models, we do have some great pricing on them. This is considered our single lounger, the SL. This has the Mercury 115 horsepower engine. We've got some nice seating up in the bow here. Something they did that's kind of cool, these little recessed cup holders in here. Little spot to put, I usually put my cell phone right in here, but great spot for some cup holders there. We've got a great helm. They do have the Fusion stereo system in this particular model. It does have a depth finder, nice seat that does recline backwards and forwards. There's storage under pretty much every seat that you see here. This is a nice, with the single lounger, we can sit back facing this way, or I can push it back this way, sit back here. And then back underneath here is a ton of storage for whatever you need. And like I said, the 115 horsepower with the ski tow bar. There's a cover, 12-foot bimini. This thing's loaded, ready to go. It is on our show floor here in Rogers, so come on down, take a look. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.